So how to use Me Plus app, uh, also called Daily Routine Planner. So it's one of the top self-care apps out there. As you can see, it's really high in the charts in US App Store. So what this app is about. Yeah, you can just read some details. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act but a habit. This quote from Aristotle goes to the very heart of this philosophy. We believe to flourish, good habits are necessary. This is what we seek to do, get our users to adopt good habits, such as exercising or tidying your room and consistently repeating those actions until they become habits integrated into your lifestyle. That's basically the kind of like a mental practice app. This is not like a meditational app. This is more like, I would say, mental calendar app, where you can establish these routines, daily routines, and structure your life. That's basically, as I understand. So you can just create your own daily routine, track your self-care, plan mood and progress on a daily basis, create friendly reminders for your to-do list, get through an evidence-based self-care information. So this app boosts energy, improves mood, slows aging, increases concentration. So that's just what they claim. And with 100 plus self-care schedules you can add to each day, the app will send friendly reminders morning, noon, and night, and whatever times you have set. So let's just jump into the app and let's see how it works. So you see that there is some discount. Basically, if you just create your account, you can catch up on some nice deals to find those. And then there you have it. And then there is another discount. There is another promotion which you can get, and you can just get some nice deals again. And then how it works. So here you just have your home screen, and in the bottom left tab it's called like a routine tab, and then in the top you just have your calendar. So that's basically like a calendar app. And then I just want to add some activity. There are a bunch of collections where you can already choose. And then there are all the categories like essential oils, aerobics, cycling, like all of these things, just even from some smallest details you can find in this app. And then, for example, drink water, like, so you can just add that. And then you just have description, you can change color, you can put it on repeat, repeat it weekly, and then there is no end date, and then you can just add like, okay, 2 glasses per day. And then you can set a reminder, and then you can also add some checklist, and then you can just tap edit, and that's basically your habit added. So you just set it up like your routine, and then you just get notification that you want to drink a glass of water kind of every day at this time, and then you just will be reminded. And so then that's basically your habit. You can also add your own habit. Of course, you can just give your own name if you don't have it here, and then you just have it in your calendar. Like, you can just tap on it, and then you can tap, for example, okay, I already drank 1 glass in the morning. I can complete this checklist. I can see the completion, how many glasses I drank this month, and yeah, that's basically the idea. And then I can just do it. Okay, I just drank a glass of water. Pretty cool. And then I just meditated, or I just did yoga. So that's basically the idea. You have this, plenty of calendar apps, but this is calendar apps with focus on you, just to flourish these daily habits. And don't forget like to do exercise, or don't forget to do some yoga, or I don't know, even some cleaning in the house, or some small things. and then you don't do them sporadically just once per month, but you try to form a habit. That's basically, parts of physiology. If you just, remind yourself to drink 1 glass of water every day, but do it consistently, not do it, every week or so, but just like every day glass of water, and then in a month probably you will even forget that you didn't do it before, because it will form your habit, and this will become your daily routine. And this is basically how you form these daily routines, and then you can form more a healthy lifestyle or some relaxation, a lot of things like that. And then you don't need to push yourself that much, like, because it will just become the part of your daily life. So that's like a very powerful concept with this app, and it can be, even more powerful than like, just meditations or some calming apps and all of that, because yeah, you're forming like part of routine. So that's that. And then you also have library, where you can have all these different things. You can also have some wallpapers, I don't know, like some images, some motivational things to read. Then you just have your profile, you can see all the calendars you have, and that's basically what it is. Again, make sure if you wanted to use this, you can just take out these offers. There are plenty of offers when you just start to use this app. 50% off. You can get this app for $20 per year. It's like super cheap. Some apps are charging like that per month, so this is just per year. And it's a very, very powerful app. As I said, very powerful concept. Seems like it just very simple, stupid calendar, but it's not that. It's much more powerful. As you can see, all of the types of routines here, all of the different weird categories, you can just have them all here. Like even things like take out your trash, or take some time for myself, like tidy up the toys, tidy up the wardrobe. So these are the things which actually have huge psychological effect on you. There is like a proverb or saying that you need to first clean your own room before just thinking about other stuff. So this is the app which can help you out with that, like and this is app which also keeps separate your work calendars and your self-care calendars. So here you don't add your work stuff, as I understand. You don't add your office work, work-related tasks and all of that. This is just your own relaxation and your own self-focused tasks, and you need to understand that they also need to have some kind of routine and some kind of calendar. Because if you just always prioritize your work and you don't focus on your relax, that's not sustainable in the long term. So you just you need to have, of course, there are a lot of meetings at work, but then there is also some morning routines, there is your exercise routine and all of that, and that's also that's super important. So that's basically the idea. Some people are asking as well how to delete a task. So you can just tap on the task, scroll to the bottom, and then tap delete in the bottom. You can decide if you want to keep stats on this task or not, or you can just clear history. Sometimes you can just add too many tasks or stuff like that. So then you can just add these reminders, checklists, and all of the things here. So that's what you can do as well. But other than that, that's basically the app which you should check out. I think this is one of the top apps out there. There is also like Structured Daily Planner, but this is also a very cool app, but this is more like productivity calendar. This is for all things you doing at work. This is also a very cool app, but this is more a replacement for like Google Calendar. It just has some better UI. There is also another app, it's called Habit Tracker. You can also use this one. But Me Plus is just feels a bit more, you know, like customized and all of that. And there are but also apps like Routines by Care Off. I don't know, like I Am. That's another one. So there are already some apps in this category, but this is like the leader app right now. So yeah, give it a try, and you can do a lot of these things in this app even without, you know, upgrading. And yeah, of course, like if you want to install these widgets, oh, I have a lot of apps, so just tap and hold, and then you can just search for the widget, like Me Plus, I guess. Oops, I'm not sure. Maybe it's only available like as a lock screen widget, but anyhow, it should work. Like if you want to install a lock screen widget, you can just go to your wallpaper and then tap customize, and from here add widgets, and also you will be able to see I don't know why it's not showing up. It should be there. So basically you will be able to install and have it on your lock screen. Maybe you just need to do some customizations. But that's just, you know, that you can also use it with widgets if you like widgets, you know. So yeah, again, and library is pretty good. So that's what it is. Hope this overview was helpful.